Okay, the next item is our features. So this is a very useful item. Whenever you want to show some features of your product or service. So and you find it almost on all the websites. So you just type it's very easy to add features using this. So you just type like feature one, and then you add some description. And then if you want to link like view more details of the feature, and then you can just link it like this, and then just press Ctrl D, and now we have just duplicated our feature like this. And you can add as many features as you want. I'll just duplicate it one more time. Right now we are using this zigzag format, but there are many ways to show your features. So the other one is a heading. So I'll just put some random images here, and this will now turn your features into big headings. And you can use this cards format in which your features are now turned into this card type of. And then this is the carousel way of showing your features. Then there's this way in which your features are turned into small icons. And then there's this option. This is called the features list. So in this, your features are turned into this sort of list. There are like many different styles. I think the best style according to me is that zigzag style. And if you want, you can also change the color of the alternating rows. So instead of like that color, you can select it from here, and you can also control how big the text is. Like if I say 100, if I say 20%, 30%, then the size of this text is very small and the image is bigger. On the other hand, if I change it to 70%, then the text is much bigger and the image is smaller compared to that. And obviously you have these classes to decide. Like you can, like if you want to change this button, you will go to the button class, and you can just change it from button primary to button link, and now it will turn it into a link. Or you can say, you can like use any bootstrap class, button class, and it will automatically change the feature. Same for the media. Like if you don't want the shadow, so you can just say shadow none, and it will remove the shadow.